Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the cells where you want the dollar sign to appear. Once done, clear any existing number formatting so nothing conflicts. Use Format right arrow number right arrow automatic. Make sure your values are actual numbers, not text, because formatting only affects numeric cells. Next, choose whether to use Google Sheets built-in currency format for automatic localization or a custom number format if you need a specific pattern. This choice controls how decimals and negative numbers display, so pick the one that fits your sheet. Now you apply the format. For a fast solution, choose Format right arrow number right arrow currency, and Google Sheets adds the dollar sign and locale-specific separators. If you need exact control, go to Format right arrow number right arrow more formats right arrow custom number format. There, enter $##0. 00 to force 2 decimals or $##0 to hide cents. Make sure to include commas for thousands if desired. Once applied, all selected numeric cells will display the dollar sign while keeping their numeric values for calculations. Finish by verifying that cells still act like numbers. Test a sum or sort to confirm. If the dollar sign doesn't appear, the cell may be text. Use value cell or retype the number to convert it. Also, if some entries mix text and numbers, consider using a helper column or conditional formatting to maintain consistency. Finally, make sure your locale settings match the currency display. If things go wrong, revert to automatic, fix the data type, then reapply your chosen format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.